and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to pull data from one Clappia app to another when scanning a QR code or barcode with the help of the code scanner block that is available in Clappia. Let's see how to do this with the help of an example. Over here, I have an app for an entry log for which I would like to capture details of the employee who is making an entry to a specified area. Here I have added only date and time, but I would like to add an option where an employee, upon scanning their QR code or barcodes, their details will automatically appear on the app, such as their name, email ID, or designation. So let's see how to do this. I click on the Design app where we can edit our app, and you can see the earlier fields of date and time. Now I click on Add Field and then click on Code Scanner. This code scanner block can scan both QR codes as well as barcodes. This can be configured on the right-hand panel that has appeared over here. There are two options, Basic and Advanced, for configuring. The first thing I will do is to change the label name into Scan Code. I will leave the description of this field blank for now, and I can also mark this field as required. Since I want the employee to scan their code before making a submission necessarily, I will enable this. Now we go to the Advanced option, and I will disable the first option that says allow user to input manually. That is because I want the employee to actually scan their codes for their details to come up. Now upon scanning a code, I would like to pull employee details from another app that maintains this information. So I will enable the option here that says pull details from other Clappia app. I have already created an app that maintains employee details, which I will show you really quickly right now. Over here in this Employee MIS app that I have created, you can see the fields that captures name, email, designation, and employee ID. Over here, I can either manually type in all the details and make a submission, or I could go to the Submissions tab and click on Bulk Upload. Here you can see download this blank spreadsheet link. Once I click on this link, a blank spreadsheet will get downloaded that has all the headers of the fields that I have created in the Design app. The fields will contain name, email, designation, and employee ID. Once I fill in all the employee details, I can then upload it over here. Right now, I have maintained only 3 employee details, so let's see how to pull this information. We go to the entry log, and under the Advanced option, you can see Data Source app. So over here, I will have to select the Employee MIS app for which I want to pull the information from. So I will just type in Employee MIS, click on this. You can see some more options have appeared over here. Now under Selection Fields, if I click on this, you can see all the fields that is there in the Employee MIS, such as name, email, designation, and employee ID. Since my QR code or barcode will be embedded with the employee ID and I want to search with the employee ID, I will select this option. Now under pulled fields based on the selection, when I click on this, you can again see all the earlier fields. So now upon scanning a code, I would like certain details to be pulled up. So I can select name, email, and designation. Now I can go ahead and click on Save. You can see that the fields have now populated over here. To configure the other options that are available at the top over here, you can check out part 1 of this video for configuring the code scanner block. Now we go to the app home where our app is live. Over here you can see the code scanner block has appeared along with the name, email, and designation fields. If I click on any of these 3 fields, you can see that I am unable to make any changes manually. That is because only when I scan a QR code or a barcode will these fields be automatically filled in. So let's go ahead and make a scan. I will click on this blue button over here to open up the camera to scan. You can see the code scanner block has scanned the QR code which was embedded with the employee ID, and the name, email, and designation has been pulled from the Employee MIS app. I can now go ahead and make a submission. We can also make a submission with the code scanner block on the mobile version as well. All you have to do is download the Clappia app from either Play Store or App Store, and the moment you create your app in the web version, it should be ready to use instantly on the mobile version. So let's see how this looks like. here you can see my mobile screen with the Clappia app downloaded on it. So I will go ahead and click it. And then I will click on the entry log app. You can see that the entry log app is now ready to use. So I can go ahead and scan a code. So the code scanner block scanned the barcode which was embedded with the employee ID, and you can see the name, email and designation has been pulled from the employee MIS app. Now I can go ahead and make a submission here as well. To view all your submissions, you can click on the View Submissions button over here. And you can also see the earlier submission that was done in the web version. You can click on any of the submissions to view all the details. Now let's go back. Again, to view all your submissions, you can simply click on the Submissions tab over here, and you can see the 2 submissions that was made. You can click on any of the submissions to view all the details on the right hand panel over here. To download any submission or all the submissions that you might have, you can click on the option over here and it will download in a CSV format. If you have any queries regarding the configuration of the code scanner block to pull data from another Clappia app or any other features in Clappia in general, you can request support by clicking on the option over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.